Okay, we've had to take some of this out so it doesn't catch with our spring, or our string, when we put our string down through the neck. So we've taken this piece out in here. Next thing, we're going to work on the inside here for the eyes. And we got to take a lot of this out in here. So we'll be able to get the eyes to set down in. You can see that we're going to take this out in here. So we're going to take this out, and then we'll be back with our next video. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and like on my YouTube page. Thank you.